everybody, welcome to Kandy. We have arrived to Kandy yesterday and I'm super excited to see what's happening in Kandy, what's Kandy all about, and today we're gonna be going out in the city to this chaos downstairs and seeing what interesting things we can find. So I'm actually pretty hungry this morning, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're going to find some food. So as we're vegan, sometimes it's kind of hard to get food for us in Sri Lanka, but we found this place online and it's called the Banana Chill Cafe. As you can see, there's a sign saying vegans are welcome. Super excited, let's go and get some food. We just had a breakfast and now we are ready to explore Kandy. First thing is we're going to this big Buddha statue. It's like a temple and it's right at the top of the hill behind me. We're trying to get a tuk-tuk for a very local cheap price like it's supposed to be, and we're using this app tuk-tuk. Well, we have been waiting for like 20 minutes because these tuk-tuks cannot find us. Actually, I can see tuk-tuk coming, so we might be close. So after about 20 minutes, a tuk-tuk has finally arrived and now we are ready to go to the temple. As you can see, guys, right behind me is the very famous temple in Kandy. It's called the Bahirawa Kandy. You can pretty much see this temple from the bottom of Kandy. We've seen this temple from a hotel, which is super cool, and we just wanted to check it out. So you have to pay to come here. It's actually 250 rupees each person, which is not so bad. So here is the temple of the Buddha, big white temple. From this temple we have a beautiful view. We can actually see our hotel from here. Check this out. We can see the lake over there and the city center is just down there, and over there there are mountains, a lot of mountains, because Kandy and Ella and that area in the middle is known for a lot of mountains and tea plantations. Arella's just relaxing. She just had a nap.
Short one, but she would go down again in no time.
Naya, Naya, bonita babe. Naya,
So guys, we're actually finished with the temple now. We had a good quick look around and it's actually quite good. It's a must visit if you're here in Kandy. Now we're looking for something else to do, heading back in the city centre, but Arella has to have a quick booby break.
Booby break for Ella. She is, I don't know what she's doing. She's enjoying her booby. But we are thinking what to do next. We are trying to get a tuk-tuk down to the city center, check the city center out. I just requested another tuk-tuk to get us to the city center. So the funny thing is that this application tells you how much money you have to pay. And from here to the city center is 80 rupees, my app says. But if I just went up to and asked another tuk-tuk driver how much it's to town, he told me 300 rupees. Then he tried to haggle saying 250. And I was just like, no, I can give you 100 rupees, that's it. But he refused. So luckily we have this app and we are waiting for a new tuk-tuk once again. Tuk is just arriving here. I think he wants us, I don't know what he's doing, but hopefully we'll get it in a minute. Okay, we have to walk to him.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. So we are in the city center bit right now. City center in Kandy basically is really busy. There's a lot of traffic and a lot of people, and there is a lot of things you can buy from here. There is a supermarket, there is fruit markets, there is shopping for fashion, for clothes, and for many different random things. We don't really shop on our travels unless we have to, because we only have one backpack and we don't really have money to be spending just on random things that we don't need basically. But right now we are just going to a supermarket to get a few things for our breakfast tomorrow, and then we're going home to have a rest. So we just had a break and we are ready to go out again and explore a little bit more. We have found out that there is like a special Sri Lankan dance going on in Kandy. We already booked the tickets and we're going there right now. It should be really interesting. We haven't seen anything like that before. So I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yeah, of course. So excited. Let's go. Seriously, it's going to be a good one. Let's go.
Okay. Wow, it's like a proper hole. We should be having reservations, so we are over there, I reckon. So we are sitting and waiting right now. Our tickets were 1,000 rupees each, and it's supposed to be like a proper cultural dance, Sri Lankan dance, and we shall see what's happening soon, I guess. Of that performance. We literally just left, going to check out the lake now, even though, as you can see guys, it is really dark now, so I don't know how much you'll be able to see, but it's literally just a lake in the middle of Kandy.
It's actually a man-built lake that I've heard, so
it's not even natural. I've seen actually boats on it. Don't know why people would take boats when you can see the lake and it's pretty small, but oh well, whatever.
Float your boat?
Float your boat, I suppose. I was looking for the right word. I was going to say ride your boat, but I guess float your boat. But as you can see, here is the lake in the evening, which looks super beautiful, actually, in this light. And that is pretty much it, isn't it?
Yeah, good night, good dance. Very nice to see something cultural. Rella enjoyed it really much. She was very interested.
She was, and now she's tired and she's going to go sleep at home. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this day, and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and apart from that I will see you in my next vlog. So yeah, bye.